Picher in Picher, Oklahoma.
It's up decent. You know, I mean, it had probably, you know, a few thousand people when it was kicking. I think the 2000 census, it was down to 1,800, but that was after quite a few people had moved out. And then 10 years later, there was nobody almost.
Wait, so when did the tornado come through?
2008.
Okay.
Was it during daytime or nighttime?
It was a nighttime tornado, I believe. And it was an EF4, so it was one of, you know,
One of the deadliest tornado.
So right at the water tower, it will turn right, essentially. 2nd Street. Turn it on.
Or not.
Truck. Wilderness kind of like this doesn't look like this should be a town.
Yeah, so it's all.
It is.
You can see where the houses used to be over here. The driveways, all the driveways and streets. There's nothing left. Wow.
You guys find maybe like small amounts, but like thousands of these.
Yeah, no, those are like 1,000 tons.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying, thousands.
I think what's even
my gosh.
weirder is like
So not this road, but it'll be the next one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh wow.
Are some of these just still like just the houses got like destroyed in a tornado and people just left? Like,
Yeah.
Some of those just look more than just run down.
Okay,
This is why we're
this
going for the
road
ruins of
right
Picher.
here.
The ruins.
Wow.
oh god.
Holy
Oh shit.
Holy shoot! That's a pretty massive damage.
Is that like current? There's a public school here still? Is it like
I think that probably got
a
abandoned.
warehouse?
It's abandoned now.
No, this.
So there's this little neighborhood.
So messed up.
Oh, this is eerie.
This is like when
Like, is it dangerous to actually walk around it, like
Yeah,
in
there's
this area?
No, it's not
Yeah, they found
dangerous to be
this
around. I mean, there's people that live here. So like some people bought some of these houses.
Maybe just
and
don't go in
redone
those
them.
sand piles, you know?
So you can go through this house. Or just
And
go
probably
this
don't
neighborhood.
drink the water.
So the tribes, so the Native American tribes owned a lot of land in Oklahoma, and so
Oh,
they,
yeah, well,
they are
yeah,
sort of
they
like the
did.
tribal marshals are in charge of all these buildings.
keep out.
So these are all like deserted, like a deserted neighborhood.
Of course, they'd give people who have been displaced the crappy town that's got lead in it.
Watch that bump right there. Watch that bump.
Imagine.
South Victor, is he okay?
Imagine. What's his name?
My name, Natalie.
Imagine, Natalie. Like this happened. I know it was happened. This
So these are just essentially abandoned houses that were built in the early 2000s and just got looted over the years. And this is all, there's obviously police and marshals that still live out here, but the population's like 10, I think.
Yeah, that
Holy smokes!
fire.
That thing's gone.
That's the whole wolf is like gone. Whole wolf.
You know,
Keep out. Keep out.
I don't think a lot of people are listening, unfortunately.
It's hard to see when it's covered with water.
Are we going to be near the tornado damage path?
So you can't see the dam. I mean, that was over, it's almost 20 years ago.
You wouldn't see the
15
pad.
years
That thing
ago.
is buried.
But where we passed earlier, it was on the south side of town where there was not many tall trees, but you really can't tell unless you knew what it looked like before.
There are a lot of driveways, no houses.
Yes, that was it. That was the area.
Do you want to venture back there between these old
We'll
streets?
go back this
Okay.
way. Go back to the main road.
So, if these are abandoned buildings, like, what are they doing with them? Like,
Nothing, because it's illegal to like move here. Like you can't really live here.
because of the toxicity?
Yeah.
Look at that.
Okay.
So these were buildings.
It's like, it's like,
It's just gonna sit here for another hundreds of years.
Yep.
Yeah, there's no plans to fix, to come in and do anything to it.
So you can't even move if you want
I mean, what?
Well, I mean,
some of
realistic.
those trucks, like that one truck looked like new, though. So,
So those are the marshals. So
Okay.
that was the Native American.
So they're just like
marshal.
keeping the buildings like standing?
Yeah,
or,
they're just
like,
making sure there's
to.
no.
We look official. What do you
Yeah,
want?
you're allowed to be in here.
Look at the.
Most of this is probably like what's going on over here.
The other way? thought it was a cool little like just history of, you know.
Yeah, I'm glad I saw this because I
It's very cool.
did not know about this.
People take
I mean,
pictures.
I've heard stories like these where
Did anybody take
water
pictures?
has gotten contaminated,
So there's the
but
memorial.
I've never heard about this Oklahoma story.
That like right there is where that little gorilla was. That's
Yes.
the memorial in the town where it's kind of explains what happened.
Oh, really?
Did
Their own
anybody take
tornado
pictures?
siren, holy crap. There was a siren built on that thing.
But I think the main part of the tornado is the south side of town.
I mean, look at. I mean, that could just be like old, but like that looks.
Yeah, these were.
That's what my way to the small size strong.
If you
You
think of a
wouldn't
town that
tell.
has like 2,000 or 3,000 people, it's usually a pretty good sized town.
I was surprised they
But it's
had
just
this
all
big.
overgrown with trees. And
And here's where there were no houses.
Yeah.
This was driveways and streets with no houses. Fire hydrants.
And this was all in what, the 90s?
so the tornado hit in 2008.
Yeah, but no, this whole incident.
Yeah, I think